Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 23 November 2022. Today's my Viva topic is wrapper class in Java. So what is meant by wrapper class in Java? So I can tell you the wrapper class is the class whose object wrap contains the primitive data type. The when are the create object, it is the wrapper class. So content field, the field of the can store the primitive data types. Store the primitive data type. In the other words, we can the wrapper primitive data types in the wrapper class in the objects. So use the wrapper classes in Java. So Java is the object oriented programming language. So we need the their object means of the times leaves the collection of the serialization, synchronization, etc. So let's have the different where we need the use the wrapper class and objects. Change the value of the methods. Change the value of the methods. The Java experts call by the so pass of the primitive value. It is the original values. Change the original value. Next is the serialization. We need to convert the object into the streets of the perform the serializations. Next is the synchronization. The Java synchronization words with the objects and multi-threadings is the synchronization using. So next is Java util package. So Java util package provides the provide the utility classes and the deals with the objects. Next is the collection of framework. The collection of frameworks works with the object only. The collection of framework. So next is the eight classes of the Java language package as known as the wrapper classes. So next is the let's about the 8 wrapper class primitive types and wrapper class. So primitive type is boolean or wrapper class is the boolean. Next is the char, primitive type is the char or wrapper class in the characteristic. So primitive type is the bytes and wrapper in the byte. Next is the integers, long, doubles and float and float. This is the eight known as the eight wrapper classes. And next is the unboxing. The automatic comparison primitive data type into the corresponding wrapper class from the autoboxing. Next is the autoboxing. Next is the change the value in methods. The Java expert to call the value. So pass the call by values. So pass primitive values and it will not change the original value is called the wrapper class in Java. So thank you.